For the AQA GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 20 is Freddie's trying to work out 29.15 plus 83.47 divided by 9.82. His answer is 37.65. By rounding each number to the nearest 10, show that his answer is incorrect. So all of these, so 29.15 to the nearest 10 is 30, 83.47 is 80, 9.82 is 10. So I do 30 plus 80, which is 110. 110 divided by 10 is 11. So as you can see, even if we've rounded it, the answers are completely different. So Freddie is wrong. So in question 21, a straight line passes through two parallel lines. Circle the angle that corresponds to x. And I can see that is B, because this is on top of the parallel line and this one is also on top of the parallel line on the same side. So the answer is B. Like and subscribe for more GCSE math related videos.